Namaskardam and welcome to Northeast Karbi Life, the mirror of society. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have Klarjir Katharpi, who have recently won the title of Spark Miss India in Kids category. Congratulations to you, Klarjir. Klarjir, today we feel really blessed, honored, and privileged to have you with us here. So, Klarjir, can you please give us a small introduction?
First of all, I would like to thanks to NE Karbi Life for giving me this opportunity. My name is Klarjir Katharpi. My father name is Harsin Kathar and my mother name is Dipika Kropi. I am from a very beautiful place, West Karbi Anglong, Kolonga. Thank you.
Thank you, Klarjir. Klarjir, so since you have won this beauty pageant, have you ever participated in any other pageant?
Yes.
Can you please tell me the name of the pageant that you have participated?
Miss Karbi Anglong 2023 and Miss Assam.
Wow, so did you won any title in this pageant?
Yes.
Can you please mention the title? Say for suppose did you won the winner or runners up or
In Miss Karbi Anglong 2023, I got their first runner-up, and in Miss Assam, I got their winner.
Wow, that's really nice. Now you have cracked the district level, state level, and finally the national level, Klarjir. So happy for you. So Klarjir, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies is dancing and drawing.
Okay, you like dancing. Okay, so in the future, what do you want to become? A modeler or a dancer or anything else? Can you please tell us?
A modeler.
You want to become a modeler. Then, Klarjir, who is your role model?
My role model is my mother.
See, okay, so throughout your journey, who have been the biggest support in your life? Who have supported you the most?
My family.
Your family has supported you. So, Klarjir, this pageant was held in Goa, right?
Yeah.
All right. Then, how is the place, Goa? Can you please tell us about something about Goa?
Goa is a very beautiful city.
Okay. Then, Klarjir, since you were there in Goa, you have represented our Karbi culture and attire there, traditions there. So, what was the reaction of the people when they saw us? Means like when they saw our Karbi culture.
They said our culture is very good.
Okay. So, Klarjir, in which class do you study? In which standard?
My school name is Atur Kimi Kidmi and I read in class 5.
Okay, you're just class 5 and you have won so many titles. Then, Klarjir, what like when you won this title, what was the reaction from your school?
My teacher and all are very happy and they welcome me in school.
Wow, you know what? This is what I always dream about, and seeing you accomplish this in such a young age, it is such an inspiration, Klarjir. Then, Klarjir, what was the biggest struggle that you faced? Because when you go out to Goa or any other place, you won't be able to attend classes, right? So, how it was?
Never give up.
Okay, so Klarjir, since it is a national pageant, so it will be really difficult, right? So, can you please tell me, like, how was the competition? How were the people?
The competition was tough and the people was very friendly.
Okay, so did you make a lot of friends?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have a best friend?
Yes.
Okay, so in Goa, since you have made a lot of friends and all, so like what have you learned from them? Because they will be coming from different places, so you will be able to learn something about their culture and all. So what did you learn?
I learned about their culture.
Okay, you learn about their culture. So basically, it is a kind of a cultural exchange because they learn about your culture and you learn about their culture. And then Klarjir, as you told me that your mother is your biggest supporter, and then means like your whole family and relatives are. So what about your friends? Are they supportive?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you are not able to attend classes, you will miss a lot of notes, right? So do they give you the notes?
Yes.
Um, then, Klarjir, like since you have participated in Miss Karbi Anglong, is that your first pageant, Miss Karbi Anglong, teens?
Yes.
Okay, so how was your first pageant? Was it really difficult because you won't have any experience? It is your first. So how was it?
It was very tough, but I learned a lot.
Okay, that's great. So Klarjir, after winning this title, how did you feel?
I feel very happy and I am proud of myself.
Wow, that's great. Well, Klarjir, thank you so much for not giving up, and for working so hard. It is because of you, even we feel so proud to be a son of the Karbi, seeing that the Karbi youngsters are growing, participating, and working so hard. It's really an inspiration, as I've already said before, but I'm repeating again and again because I'm really inspired. So, ladies and gentlemen, she is Klarjir Katharpi, our Miss India in Kids category. Thank you so much, Klarjir, for coming here. And with this, we have come to an end of today's interview. Thank you so much, dear viewers, for watching our channel, NE Karbi Life. Kardom.